Today, we're slicing into a juicy topic, watermelon. Not only is this fruit refreshing and delicious, but it's also packed with incredible health benefits that might just surprise you. Whether you're looking for a sweet treat that keeps your body hydrated or a snack that's bursting with nutrients, watermelon is your go-to summer fruit. So stick around as we dive into the top 20 health benefits of watermelon. That will make you love this amazing fruit even more. Hydration. Watermelon is made up of about 92% water, making it excellent for staying hydrated, especially during those hot summer days. Nutrient-rich. It's low in calories but rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins A, B6, and C, as well as potassium. Contains antioxidants. This fruit is loaded with antioxidants like lycopene, which helps reduce oxidative damage and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. May help reduce inflammation. Watermelon contains cucurbitacin E and lycopene, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Supports heart health. The lycopene in watermelon is beneficial for heart health and can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure levels. May aid digestion. Due to its water and fiber content, watermelon helps promote healthy digestion. Good for skin and hair. Vitamin C found in watermelon is great for your skin, helping in collagen synthesis, while vitamin A helps keep hair moisturized. May help prevent cancer. Studies suggest that lycopene may help lower the risk of some types of cancer. Improves eye health. Vitamin A in watermelon can help protect against age-related macular degeneration. May alleviate muscle soreness. Citrulline, an amino acid in watermelon, may reduce muscle soreness after exercise. Good for kidney health. Watermelon helps flush out toxins from the kidneys and reduces the risk of kidney stones. Supports nerve function. The potassium in watermelon is vital for nerve function and can help prevent muscle cramps. Boosts immune system. The high vitamin C content boosts your immune system, keeping you strong and healthy. Has diuretic properties. Watermelon acts as a natural diuretic, helping increase urine production without straining the kidneys. Aids weight loss. Because it's low in calories and high in water, it can help you feel full without overeating. Reduces blood pressure. The potassium and magnesium in watermelon help lower blood pressure, which is crucial for heart health. Good for pregnant women. Watermelon eases heartburn and reduces swelling during pregnancy due to its high water content. Improves bone health. The lycopene in watermelon is linked to improved bone health and reduced risk of osteoporosis. Helps with blood sugar control. Although sweet, watermelon has a low glycemic load and can help manage blood sugar levels. Enhances athletic performance. Citrulline can improve exercise performance and reduce recovery time. And there you have it. 20 amazing health benefits of watermelon that make it more than just a tasty snack. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a watermelon. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and fun facts. Drop a comment below telling us how you like to enjoy your watermelon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.